Hi, I'm Chef Ben with Expert Village. Alright, welcome back, and today we're going to be talking about chicken enchiladas. First, what we're going to do is we're going to take about 3 small tortillas, and we're going to lay them in the bottom of our crock pot. Right. Then we're going to take about 1 can of tomato sauce, and we've already pre-mixed this with about 8 ounces of cayenne pepper sauce. We're going to pour that right on top of our tortillas. Okay. All right. After that, we're going to take about 2 to 3 pounds of chopped or shredded chicken. We're going to throw that in our sauce, making sure we stay on top of those tortillas there. 1 packet of taco or enchilada seasoning. We're just going to sprinkle that right on top. Okay. About 8 ounces or 1 big handful of shredded cheese. All right, once we got that on there, final step. All right, cover, set on low, and let cook for about 5 to 7 hours, and you have chicken enchiladas.